We all aspire to have habits that can improve our lives for the better. Forming habits comes with a lot of practice and patience. And with that bigger aim in sight, many milestones get missed. Hello and welcome to the Big Basket channel. In today's video, we will talk about some micro habits that will help you achieve bigger goals without getting overwhelmed. Also, there is a hidden giveaway challenge for you all that can help you win exciting voucher from Big Basket. So, subscribe to the channel and look out for the giveaway in this video. We all aim to have habit of being productive most of the time. But with too many things to do, it's easier to fall into the trap of procrastination. A simple micro habit of a 5-minute rule helps us break the cycle of procrastination and brings us back to our productive selves. But what is this 5-minute rule? 5-minute rule is a behavioral technique that tricks our mind into starting working on any project just for 5 minutes. It is always the initial attempt that creates a lot of friction. But once the work begins, in all likelihood, we end up finishing the entire task. This micro habit of doing anything just for 5 minutes helps us break the whole task into small manageable steps and time frame, which helps in reducing that friction and anxiety. As I said, we have too many to-dos to tick off our list. The longer the list, the chances of forgetting them increases. Now, as difficult as it sounds, the solution is a cakewalk: setting reminders. While your lists are ready, just see if there is anything on the list that you need a reminder for. Getting into a small habit of setting yourself reminders will push you to finish the task, reduce your chances of forgetting something important, and do away with any regrets. Set reminders on your phone or calendar for meetings or deadlines. Hey Siri, set reminder for a meeting at 12 p.m. Ever happened that you did plenty of work throughout the day but still felt like nothing was complete? That happens when we sail in too many boats together. And here is where a micro habit of batching helps. Compiling similar work together and finishing them in one go can supercharge your productivity and tick off all those tasks. For the regular household work, I pick a day or a time slot for taking care of my plants. Some days I pick meal prepping. Sometimes I'll just focus on organizing one area of the house, or I block my time for my kids' homework and study and just do that. Batching helps us focus on similar tasks together, which removes any distractions and we finish our work more efficiently. As you avoid the mental overhead of switching between contexts by batching similar tasks, you'll get into a flow of state faster and achieve more in shorter amount of time. Who doesn't like to do things perfectly? Human nature strives for perfection, but in that drive, progress often gets ignored, and we enter into a loop of self-doubt. If this resonates with you, then get into a micro habit of self-compassion. This means praising yourself even if you fail, because what matters is that you tried. Instead of focusing on perfect result, focus on progress and feel proud of your work no matter how small today's achievement looks. We all have setbacks, and striving for perfection only leads to frustration. Instead, adopt the habit of celebrating your progress no matter how small, because recognizing your effort is a fantastic way to stay motivated and keep moving forward. They say happiness is a key to success, and the one micro habit that boosts happiness is practicing gratitude. Take a few moments each day, whether by journaling, meditating, or simply taking deep breaths, to appreciate the good things in your life. Appreciate small joys like a delicious meal, a supportive friend, technology, services like Big Basket for making life easier, or even the sunshine on your face. Now here is the giveaway that I had promised. Let me know which special technique I talked about to fight procrastination. Now quickly write your answers in the comment section and also subscribe to the Big Basket channel to get a chance to win an exciting voucher from Big Basket. Let's talk about another micro habit that impacts both your physical and mental state, which is mindful eating. Take a few minutes to appreciate the aroma of your coffee or tea. Savor every bite and avoid rushing through the meals while checking on your phone. Instead of eating your lunch at your desk while working, take a break. Find a quiet place and focus solely on your meal. Mindful eating promotes better chewing, which can aid digestion and nutrient absorption. By listening to your body's hunger cues, you are less likely to overeat, potentially leading to healthier weight management. I hope this video will help you form some micro habits to have a better version of yourself. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway by writing the correct answer in the comment section and subscribing to the Big Basket channel. Like this video and share it with friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video very soon.